Hi guys. This one is unboxing after the real unboxing has been done. Yeah, this is the first time this is happening. I did this unboxing video 2 days ago. Oh my god, when I wanted to edit it, I found out that it disappeared from my phone gallery and I didn't know I mistakenly deleted it. The thing paid me, oh, it paid me sharp. So I posted it in my community and I was, just skeptical about it if I should repeat it, like redo the video, but without, the reactions of you seeing it for the first time yet. Okay, let's just get right into it. I just wanted you guys to see it, see the product. So I posted in my community and someone said I should, redo the video. Okay, so let's get started. This one here is I have with me this microphone, human hair hanger inside here, and CCTV camera. So let's start with this one. Okay, so this one you can use it for podcasts. It's very good. So this is it. I know a lot of you must have seen some celebrities, using it for podcasts in their video. So guys, check this out. Am I doing it well? Okay, yeah, it's like this. So I'm going to plug it to it. It came with a manual. This is the manual and this is the charger. Is it charger or connector, whatever. So it's not rechargeable. So I'm going to plug it to power bank so that you can see it, see how it works. So I'm plugging it here. Can you see it, guys? Like that, and you just put it on your table and you start talking. So you can increase the volume and like that. You can mute it. You want to mute it, you just to tap on here and the color will change. When it is red, it means it has been muted. So that is all about this microphone. So let's move on to the next one. Let me put it back here. This one is the second CCTV camera we are getting for our house to safeguard our home. So we got one before. That one is situated in front of our house. So we got another one. But this one is very, very, very unique. Very unique camera. So I got it from 1688. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, I would like to get one for yourself. Kindly send me a DM on Instagram. So I promise to do a video of how this CCTV camera works. It's a must have for every home. So we're going to put this one at the back of our house. So this one unique thing about this one is it has two camera eyes. Can you see it? This and this. And the color is very unique and it's big. So this is the place for SIM card. So it uses it has an inbuilt battery which you use the this solar panel to connect it to charge it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to use this particular camera. This is the anchor to hang it on the wall. This is the connector, you know, it's also type C connector like that. Where do I even on it? I want it so that you guys can see it. Let them to power. Yeah, let them to power us. Give it. Let them to power, right? Let them to power. Give it power. Okay. So yeah, right? You don't want right? You move it. Okay, like this. Okay, I think it's switching. Yeah, it's on. Please configure the network. You see the way it's rotating, right? Can you see it? Amazing, right? 360, it rotates 360. Can you see it, guys? So if you need this, yeah, if you need this, send me a DM. I'm going to help you purchase it from China. So I'm going to be removing it. So let's move on to the next products. It's going to be a quick video, guys. The thing I have here is a hair protective bag with hanger to protect human hair. So I bought 5 pieces. 3 is for my aunt and 2 is for myself for my personal use. So I've look at them, very good quality for protective to protect your hair. So if you have human hair, instead of dumping it somewhere like I used to do, guys, that's how I got this. So you just hang it, and you're good to go. So let me show you. I've already hung my wigs. Okay. So first of all, let me show you I have hung the human hair I ordered, the 8 inches human hair I ordered. I hung it here already. So let me show you guys. Okay, this is it. So this is the 8 inches human hair wig that I bought from 1688. You know, I talked about it. I showed it in one of my videos when I talked about one of the business ideas you can go into is hair business. So if you want to learn how to import hair from China, let me know. So let me comb it so that you can see it. One thing I noticed about this hair is that it is full frontal. Let me open it. Like it is full frontal. You can do it. Can you see it? Can you see the inside? Let me show you the inside. Look at the inside, guys. It came with a band. It came with this. Look at it. Very beautiful. And it's adjustable. So look at what I'm talking about. Look at the frontal. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. So the frontal is up to, see it, it's up to this point. Can you see it? Frontal. So you can do it C-cuts. Maybe when I want to install it, I will make a video how I'll install it. It's 8 inches, guys. The quality is okay. It's bone straight. It's 8 inches bone straight human hair. See it, guys. Take a look at it. Okay, so I see it. So by the time I install it now, oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait to rock it. I can't wait to rock this. So this is 8 inches. Beautiful hair. So the other, this is the other one, my other human hair, 14 inches that I got in Nigeria. I'm hanging it in here already. Can you see it? So what else? I think that's all. Yeah, my slippers. I got a very nice slippers. I mean sandals from China as well. Though I've already put it on today. I wore it today already. So this look at it. Very beautiful. So I'm going to display the other pictures of other colors that you can order. It's a very good quality sandals. Can you see it? I bought it like 56, no, I think 60 or 59 RMB. I ordered this from Pinduoduo. The quality is very, very good. See, very, very good quality. So I wore it out today already. Okay, guys, this is all I have to share you today. So Check out my human hair. I um, got it for like, I think 200 and something RMB. Not expensive. That would be like 30 something naira, 30 something thousand naira. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comment and share it. And also, if you want to contact me for one-on-one mentorship, or you want me to train you on importation, do well to send me a DM on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye.